Hi everyone. To find the exe file for a program, you just right click and select properties, and here you click on open file location. You can see here that this is the exe file for this program called Formal Factory, and if you don't see the extension, you just select this option, show file extension, and we can do this for another program, for example for VLC, and you can see that same here we see the exe file. And for example, if you have a program in the start menu, for example Excel or Chrome, you can just right click and select more, open file location. You can see that this is not the exe file, but I can just right click on it and select open file location, and I will end up with the location of the exe file. Thank you for watching.